can you borrow on used equipment?
We can, absolutely. Absolutely. So,
Awesome.
so here's another thing too. When we talk about used equipment, we're looking at the ages of the equipment. So all the time with the used equipment folks, it can be refurbished, but we're financing equipment that's in the mid 2000s. Okay. So it's quite old, like the actual serial number is quite old. But if it's been refurbished by an equipment distributor that we do business with, or other lenders do this as well. Find out from the other lenders as well if they do business with the equipment distributors that are going to be around. So from a banking standpoint, all right, what's really important to any bank is they want to do business with vendors or distributors that are going to be around to be able to support the warranties that they're saying for these pieces of equipment. So on new equipment, obviously, 10-year warranties. On the mechanicals, obviously, we're highly confident these folks are going to be around. But you are going to want to, in our opinion, purchase used equipment from a distributor that's going to be able to back up the equipment. Now, I know there's a lot of repair individuals that are able to sell equipment, used equipment. Okay. That's something that's extremely challenging for us and for any bank because they're not a vendor that regularly sells equipment. Okay. They're a repair company. So the challenge there on the used equipment side is finding a distributor that more specializes on the used equipment side and is going to back it up. We have had situations where we were not able to get certain repair individuals that had, 10 machines they pulled out. They can even be newer machines, right? Like within the last 5-10 years. The challenge for us is that it really has to either go through a new equipment distributor that'll sell used, and maybe that repair person gives up a little bit of profitability to do that. But yes, we can do the used equipment.